It hurts me that there are people na gusto lang maging sikat yung kanilang blog ay gagawa ng mga disinformation. No less than my face, the face of the Chief of Staff, posted on viral and saying the AFP and the PNP withdrawing support or asking resignation of the President, it's unforgivable. Hindi po tama yon. We tried to promote investment and tourism, pero dahil lang sa mga to, sa pansarili, nag-create ng hindi magandang imahe sa ating bayan. We don't tolerate these things. And the people are counting on us. Alam ng ating mga kababayan na tayo nagsasakripisyo buong buo. Sana man, konting respeto, kahit sa uniforme lang, huwag namang i-post using this information just to create a viral blog.